Hey guys, it's your boy Jawad and welcome to my new video. Today is day 165 in Lots of Failure journey and I hope you are doing well. So currently I recreated this board, start with Free Palestine and this kind of stuff, and that this is the yearly goal, monthly goal, and annually, and the end is weekly goal. So these three things I created and the goal is to complete it, and my vision board is here. And today I just came from my country house, I mean my grandfather house, and I was studying here and try to, now I'll create the blog and try to study another time, and that's it. And you can see that, if you are seeing that, like this is July month goal: complete 44 push-up and sit-up, read 2 books, complete the syllabus, I mean my study academic history, sign up 10 client $1,000, and complete the DDP that I have working on. Extra 160 subs we need to complete, guys. I need to 160 subs I need to complete this month, and the weekly goal is same, just based on monthly goal, and I have like small completed, I make it small goals so that I can fully work on that. And the main thing I want to say that okay, so okay, I will switch up the camera and now we'll going to the next room. Yeah, coming. So I hope that here the voice is too low and this noise, so maybe may I go to the another room. Okay, so I'm switched up the camera to front camera, and so the main thing I want to tell that I forgot. So the 6 month is already completed, and I didn't even make half amount of money of my goal, which is 50k. So I have only 60 days, I mean 6 months left to make 100k this year. My goal and my challenge is to make 100k this year by my agency, and but half month left, didn't even make a single money, I mean a single cent. So basically it's now need to be serious, and only with hard work and smart work can do that, and I am trying to fully focus on that. But the main thing is you need to get clients. It's totally based on luck, or I can say it's based on offer, your things that you do, and this kind of stuff. So I created the offer. I also created a new website for my agency, which is totally free, and I will try to do that clip carefully so that minimum I can get the client and I can complete 100k. If I don't even complete half amount of money from this money, from this goal, or from the amount that I really needed in this year, I will be totally regret. And so that I will try much more, and this month my goal is to at least get 10 clients, uh, so that I can really be confident about getting another clients, and that's it. And also this month goal is to reach 160 subs, because my video quality is too low, and I also, like, you can only show my this part, not the upper part, so I get lower views and this kind of stuff. But I don't think about that lot much. My goal is to document myself and my journey, and that's it. And I make sure that I will reveal my face in 1 million subs, and I really try to create better blogs. And after like making the amount of money that I really need. I will buy a camera, a mic, this kind of stuff, and also a PC or a MacBook, so that I can create clear vlogs and clear videos that you will enjoy and love to watch, so that I can get much views or subs. And that's it. At the end, I will and I do.